Welcome back, guys. In today's episode, we're going to be focusing on getting this whole side sanded down again, so it's completely smooth. It's a little rough down here, so we're going to be going over that again with the DA. And we are still waiting on our welder to weld these holes up. Due to COVID, it is taking a little while to get them delivered. So hopefully it gets delivered soon. We really don't have any idea when it will be delivered. We're just hoping it will be soon. So we're waiting on that. But we got a package in today, so let's take a look at that. Alrighty, so we're gonna open this box up we got here. So we got our primer here for when we're ready to be getting ready to prime. And then we got our activator here. So when we mix these together, we spray that on. That's what we got here. Once we get those welded up, we'll be able to throw some primer on this thing. So hopefully that gets in here soon. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribing. It's what helps this channel survive and you know, gets us going on everything. So make sure you're subscribing. So let's hop in sanding on that side and see how it looks. Alrighty, so we just got it all finished. The camera died, so I just finished it all off. So it's looking pretty good right now, looking real smooth. So we're gonna take some wax and grease remover and wipe this all down and see how it looks. And then we do have one spot over here where I marked. That's a little ding. So we're just gonna put a little glazing putty in there and fill that up, sand it off real quick, and make sure it's smooth. And then we'll see what else we can do. We just got it all wiped down. It's looking pretty good. Like it's nice and shiny now. So we got rid of all that grit. So after this dries up, will take a few seconds, and then we're gonna mix some Bondo or some glazing putty up, hit this real quick, see how it looks. Got that little ding fixed. It's looking pretty nice on this side. All we have left for Bondo on this side at least is working on this, but when we get these welded we'll just go over that and do that all at once. Then if we come over here, this side's pretty much all done already. Just for up here we have to do all these and fill them up after we weld them. And then down here we have where the rust ate through. We did do the rust prevention stuff on it. So after, when we get our welder, we'll just put something behind it and weld those in, and then Bondo or body fill over it and fill up these little holes. And that should be all for the Bondo until we get the primer on. So you can see we had a little dings in the roof, so we had to fix those up real quick. But we just got some sanding to do. We used all of our little 2-inch pieces, or sanding pieces. So we ordered some more. They should be here soon. So in the next video, probably be using those to get all this stuff. So yeah, let me show you what we just ordered. Alrighty, so we just ordered the tailgate. We don't know exactly when it will be here because it's freight shipping. So we ordered the tailgate because as you can see, it's bent here compared to this side, how it's completely straight and welded in. Well, this side, it's bent right here. So we ordered the tailgate so we could put it on here and get this all straightened out before primer and welded in, so that we don't have to do anything with it after primer. And as you can see, the previous owner on the tailgate, he did run into something. So we're thinking that when he hit this, it just kind of bent in that little bracket, so we might just be able to pull it out. So not this part, but the tailgate part, or where it hooks onto the bed. We're thinking that we could just pull this out, and as we pull it out, we'll be able to just put a tack weld in here and it'll hold it in place. So we ordered that. So when that gets in, we'll probably put the bolts back on and put it on and see how much we have to move this. And then when the welder gets in, we'll weld that and this, and we'll be able to throw some primer. So before we put the primer down, what we have to do, and we'll probably be doing this off camera, is sanding all these door jambs up here and over here. We got it started already. The other side's almost done. We just have these little parts right here, and then we have to do this up here, which won't take long. We might do that right now actually. So let's sand this off right now, and then that might be a wrap for this video. Alrighty, so we just got this finished. It's looking really good. We just got to touch it up a bit inside. Alrighty, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. Next video will probably be either sanding around the window trim and stuff like that. Hopefully the welder gets in here soon so we can get that done and get ready for primer. When the tailgate gets in here, we're going to try to make sure everything's straight. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you're subscribing. And check us out on Instagram, links below. If you want to pick up some merch, the link to that's below too. So that's going to be a wrap.